Are you trying to treat your snoring or your partner's? Here are 4 common causes of snoring and how to treat them. 1. Sleeping on your back. When you sleep on your back, your throat muscles and tongue relax, narrowing your airway and leading to snoring. Sleep on your side instead. If you roll onto your back during the night, sew a couple of tennis balls to the back of your pajama top to prevent this. A body pillow can also help encourage side sleeping. 2. Alcohol before bedtime. When you are sleeping, your throat muscles relax. Drinking before bedtime relaxes these muscles even more, causing them to restrict your airway. Avoid drinking alcohol close to bedtime. It's best not to drink 4 to 5 hours before hitting the sack. 3. Stuffed nose. Nasal congestion can obstruct your nostrils, resulting in snoring. To decongest, take a hot shower before bed. Try saline drops or a neti pot to clear your air passages. Nasal strips also help by expanding your nostrils. 4. Your nose and throat. Structural issues within your body can block your airway and lead to snoring. The VitalSleep Anti-SNORING Mouthpiece is designed to gently hold your lower jaw forward during sleep to open your airway and alleviate snoring. VitalSleep is FDA-Cleared and adjustable for maximum effectiveness and comfort. Learn more about VitalSleep and how to treat snoring at www.vitalsleep.com.